Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a problem a lot of us have, but don't really like to talk about. Armpit odor. Yep, we've all been there. But don't worry, it's a common issue and totally solvable. So let's jump right into how to get rid of armpit odor without using deodorant. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understanding the basics. First, let's get the facts straight. Armpit odor isn't just because you sweat, it's actually caused by bacteria breaking down that sweat. According to a study published in the journal Experimental Dermatology back in 2014, sweat itself is mostly odorless until bacteria gets involved. Step 2. Wash and dry. Start by thoroughly washing your armpits with soap and water. Make sure to rinse off the soap completely. Once you're done, pat your underarms dry with a towel. Damp environments encourage bacterial growth, so this step is critical. Step 3. Use citrus. Take a slice of lemon or lime and rub it gently on your armpits. Citrus has antibacterial properties and will help neutralize the odor. A 2017 study in the International Journal of Food Microbiology confirmed that lemon has significant antibacterial effects. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse. Step 4. Apply baking soda mix. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of cornstarch. Apply this mixture to your armpits. Both ingredients absorb moisture, and baking soda also neutralizes odor. According to the National Center for Biotechnology information, baking soda has antibacterial properties. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then wash it off. Step 5. Use witch hazel or apple cider vinegar. Fill a small spray bottle with witch hazel or apple cider vinegar and spritz it onto a cotton ball or pad. Dab this onto your armpits. These substances help to adjust the pH of your skin, making it less hospitable to bacteria. The American Journal of Clinical Dermatology highlighted the effectiveness of witch hazel as an astringent. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Step 6. Aloe vera. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your armpits and leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing it off. Aloe vera has both antibacterial and antifungal properties, as per a 2006 study published in Letters in Applied Microbiology. Step 7. Maintain good hygiene. Keep this routine up, and you should see a significant improvement in your armpit odor. But remember, everyone's body is different. If you're struggling with persistent odor, it may be advisable to consult a healthcare provider. Before we wrap up, let me clarify how often you should be doing each of these steps. Washing and drying your armpits is a daily must-do, of course. It's also the only step that you have to combine with any of the others. Using witch hazel or apple cider vinegar can also be a daily routine. The citrus and baking soda methods are potent, so they're best done a few times a week rather than daily. You can either do citrus or baking soda, not both. Aloe vera is gentle enough for daily use, but if you're using multiple treatments, you may want to alternate days to avoid irritation. Make sure you don't mix treatments on the same day. Consistency is key, but also listen to your body. If any method causes irritation or discomfort, discontinue its use and consider consulting a healthcare provider for personalized advice. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to keep those pits smelling fresh without any deodorant. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, take care.